there viewers, hope you're doing well. In this tutorial we will see how to customize your CSS or JavaScript in WordPress through the coding. So let's get started. So here we need to go to our WordPress dashboard, and then we need to click on plugins and add new, right, by clicking here. After that, we need to search the plugin named Theme Editor. Then you will find the first theme editor named plugin. We need to click install. After that, we need to click on activate by clicking here. So our plugin got activated, and then we need to click on appearance, and you will find the option named theme editor. We need to click here, and then here's the raw style CSS file. You will see named style.css. Here all the themes CSS right here, and you can write any code, and by clicking the code, and you can update the file. Pressing here, the file will be updated. Let's see, we are writing for dummy WordPress update. Then we click on update. Then our file got saved in the directory, and you can edit any of the files you want from here. This is the CSS, JavaScript, any files you can edit from the backend. And by clicking update, this will be updated. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope this tutorial might help you on customizing your style CSS file and JavaScript file from the backend and WordPress through coding.